Hey guys, Courtney here. Today we're going to do a very short, sweet practice that's going to hopefully help you release stress, tension, anything that's feeling like anxiety. Stand tall. Maybe lick your lips, swallow. Place one hand at the belly, one at your heart. And with your hands gently on the belly, your heart, observe the breath. Rocking, swaying, forward, back, right, left, as you do. Naturally, it might start to extend, but do encourage that. And allow for a few easy shoulder rolls, letting the hands fall by your sides. Inhale, shrug. Exhale, release. A couple more, big breath in. Let it out. And again. And maybe you reverse or you just keep on going. And perhaps it helps you visualize stuff being put down, rolling off your back. Dropping what we can't control to make space for what we can. With that said, we're going to take the arms out and up. And then simply bring your hands to your heart, integrating all sides from there. Inhaling, you're reaching wide, stretching it up, maybe gazing up. And reconnecting, hands come down. Take a couple more, breathing in. And you can sigh or take that ocean sound through the nose, breathing out. One more. Again, rock, sway, but allow for a little stillness over time. Noticing where the mind went, bringing it back to the breath itself. Letting that be an anchor, the rise and the fall of each breath. And maybe join me for a horse exhale or two. Deepest breath available. Inhale, expand. Flutter the lips, relaxing the jaw, the throat. Let it out. And again, we inhale. And exhale. Allow your arms to come down, your chin comes down, start to circle your head and neck. Breathing in through neutral, breathing out as you take that rotation one way then the other. And maybe it evolves to releasing your head back. Maybe not. Loosening up where we need to, breathing in, breathing out. Do take it the other way if you haven't. Eyes closed or a soft, steady gaze as chin falls toward chest. Maybe lick your lips, again, swallow. Loosening up where you need to. We're going to bring the chin level with the earth. We're going to take the arms gradually out and up. Stretch, yawn. And we're preparing to shake the tree, if you will. The idea is to release the stuff not serving you, the dead leaves. You can think of a visual this time of year, that idea of those leaves falling from the branches, creating space for new life, new energy, prana, life force. So little shakes at first, making it your own as much as is helpful and needed. Maybe starting to bounce the heels, even elevate the arms. Breathing in. Breathing out. I can get bigger with some jumps, some circles, some extra sways. A few more breaths at minimum. And then instead of stopping right away, let the movement get smaller. Maybe the breath gets a little deeper. And a little sway, rock, back to neutral. Bringing hands again to your belly, your heart, maybe switch one. Switching which one is where. Breathing in, breathing out, observing. And perhaps Perhaps you want to move into a more challenging practice from here, or select one of the videos that has a restorative and easier option to continue to soothe and calm, if that's the vibe you need. Namaste.